In this video, we're going to discuss how to fix we couldn't verify your country on YouTube Premium. So in order to do that, you first need to head over, and as you can see, I have in here this particular thread that has the same problem. So for this case, they have a premium membership from India for 1 year, which expired yesterday. Now they're trying to renew. They have government ID, credit cards, permanent address. That is not an issue, but they live in Europe for most of the year. They try to use NordVPN and they get hit with this particular error. So what you can do in this case is you can head over and then make sure that as you can see right here, physically located, they still have this kind of couldn't verify account. So it's kind of shadow banned to buy from an original banned country, and this ban is directly linked to your account. So as you can see, technically Google can do some smart detection stuff, so they see how things are going on. Now for this case, you can get some yearly prepaid plan on my account, and in this case you can head over and then extend it through the iOS app store as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.